Hi, this is a video to show you how to generate OneCat 24 bytes pictures, 16 millions of colors, and to show you the magic numbers hidden commands of Sculpt Animate 4D. You can find these magic numbers in Sculpt 3D last version and 4D version 2.03 and 2.09. So the magic numbers are accessible via the down first window. You click on Ctrl D. This is a scene with a lot of mirrors, 2 disks and many spheres. When you click on Ctrl D, you have some numbers to type, like 101, which gives you the control of glass transmission, mirror effects and of glass transmission. By default, the numbers are fixed to 5 for the transmission of glass. The first number you have to type is 100. 100 is a mirror effect. Here I put it on 1, just to show you the number 1, which gives no mirror. 1044 is a number that show you the debug mode. 99 is a number which gives you a control on the speed and animation. Honestly, I don't know what it is useful for. I don't see any change about number 99. But 13 is a special number which give you a control of the metallic reflection. You can control a dull object and put it in mirror mode. 100% is a full mirror and 0% is a non-metallic dull ordinary object. So now we generate a good quality picture with only one of recursion. 24, it's me, I have put the number 24, but when you will light up your program, you will be seeing 6. 6 is a default value which give you a ham object, ham picture. Ham picture are 6 bytes. So when you use the program and you choose mode, you have 6 for getting a ham picture. It will be important because I will show you at the end of the video how to generate 24 bytes, 16 millions of colors. You will be astounded that 24 bytes, 16 millions of color is quicker to render than ordinary HAME picture. This is a picture of the spheres and the mirrors, and you see the black disc. The black disc at the end is black because it is not a mirror anymore, because we have set the the mirror effect to 1, and now we can put it to an extreme value of 15. By default you have a default value of 5, but here we have an infinity of mirrors. So it will be necessary to have a perfect picture to have a mirror recursion value far above 20. But with here the speed is increased artificially. Now we have a mirror effect because recursion value of 15 is good. Here, how to generate 24 bytes, 16 millions of colors. You choose mode, you put 24, and then you have another question to answer. You have to give a name for the red value. You can give the name you want. Here, red, green, blue, okay, I will find them. So the program will generate 3 different files. 3 black and white files, one for the red, for the green, for the blue. And we will compose your final pictures with Photoshop or PaintShop Pro by merging the RGB files. So I want to put a very good picture. I would like to have a big one. 600 and 500, it's good, but it's not really good. I will show you instead a good picture of 106 or 800. Now it's accelerated, and this is the final picture generated in 24 bytes, 16 millions of colors. The same picture, and you see always our black disk, because the recursion mirror effect of 15 is not enough. We could get a perfect picture by putting something like 20 or 25 recursion mirror effect. It's necessary. So these hidden commands, hidden numbers 13, 99, 100, 101, 103 and 1044 were unknown. It was displayed one time in Amiga publication in America, in Usenet also, and one time in